Hey everyone, welcome back to our Cebuano learning journey. We're moving beyond the basics and diving into real conversation. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself and have simple chats with Cebuano speaker. So, I'm excited to teach you this. Let's get started. Part 1. Greetings and introduction. Okay, first, learn how to greet people properly. This is super important in Filipino culture. We love our greetings. Number 1, kumusta ka? How are you? Kumusta ka? Say it with me 3 times. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? This is the most common greetings. Use it with everyone. Number 2, the answer to that, I'm fine. Maayo man, salamat. Maayo man, salamat. Remember, man is a softener word. It makes you sound more like natural and friendly. Number 3, unsay imong pangalan or unsay imong ngalan. What is your name? Unsa imong pangalan? What is your name? So, the NG sound in ngalan is tricky. Put your tongue at the back of your mouth like you're saying sing without the SI part, just the ing sound. Number 4, ang ako ngalan kay si Aurora. My name is Aurora. Ang ako ngalan ay si Aurora. So, practice with your name. Like if you're David, ang akong pangalan si David or David. Anyways, number 5, palihog. It means please, excuse me. Palihog. Use this to be polite. Number 6, wise sapayan, meaning you're welcome, no problem. Why sapayan? Again, why sapayan? Part 2. Now let's level up. These are questions people will actually ask you when you visit in the Philippines. Number 1, taga diin ka? Meaning, where are you from? Taga diin ka? I'm from Arizona. Taga Arizona ako. Taga Arizona ako. Notice how ka means you. You'll see this word a lot in Cebuano. It's super common. Number 2, pila imong edad? Meaning, how old are you? Pila imong edad? Pila imong edad? Number 3, unsay imong trabaho? Unsay imong trabaho? Meaning, what is your job? What is your job? Unsay imong trabaho? Number 4, makahibalo ka og Cebuano? Makahibalo ka og Cebuano, meaning, do you speak Cebuano? Makahibalo ka og Cebuano? So, this is the fun response. Gamay lang, meaning a little. Just a little. Filipino will love that you're trying. Alright? So, practice number 3. Okay, we're gonna do pop quiz time. Don't worry, this is just to help you remember. Try to answer before looking at the solutions. Exercise number 1. You meet someone new. How do you ask, how are you in Cebuano? 1, 2, 3. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Great job. Exercise number 2. Someone asked your name. How do you respond using your name? 1, 2, 3. Ang akong ngalan kay si Aurora. Ang akong ngalan kay si Aurora. You see? Now introduce yourself to someone in your house. Isn't that easy? Now, number 3. What's the polite word for please or excuse me? 1, 2, 3. It is palihog. Palihog. Excellent. So, being polite is so important in Filipino culture. Number 4. Create a mini conversation. Greet someone as their name and say thank you. Example conversation, like you would say, "Kumusta ka? How are you?" The response, "Maayo man," meaning they're fine, I'm fine. You say mo ngalan.